Hi guys! So today's video is going to be about how to deal with criticism. And you may be, you're aware of this whole thing that how do we get criticized and how do we get demoralized due to that. One thing you need to understand and to remember it forever, just make a note in your head that those who are criticizing you are the people who can never do what you are doing. So that is the basic reason why they are criticizing you. So if you will have this thing in your head forever, you'll never be criticized. You'll always remember that they are doing it because they cannot pursue what you are. Because it sometimes, it takes a lot of courage and it takes a lot of guts to do something you want to do. And then people start judging you. And then they start criticizing you. And that, demoralizes you. So you may be, considering all those factors, you stop doing it or you try to bring changes that they are suggesting you. You have to understand there is a fine line between criticizing and telling someone to improve and telling them their flaws. So the people who are close to you or actually, values you or want to see you on some level, they will tell you your flaws and they'll tell you how to improve. The people who are not in that list, people who are jealous of you, or maybe not even bother about you, they will criticize you. So you have to understand that thin line, and that's how you have to react to things. Don't take pressure from the people who are criticizing you. I get a lot of criticism when I'm live and you guys see that. So how does it matter? People who don't have anything good to say, still they are saying it, not realizing that we are making or we are spoiling someone's mood and we could, bring some negativity in their life. So if they are not able to understand the small thing, do you really think they are good enough to give you any suggestion over your work? I don't think so. So that's what I wanted to share, because obviously what I do is really difficult. Putting out yourself in front of the whole world, you have no idea who's watching your videos and stuff like that, and it is very difficult for me. But the day I decided I want to do it, I did not really look back and thought that who and why and this and that. And I get a lot of calls. Even last week I got a call from a close person, and that person was suggesting me that I should improve this and that, and I should look into these parameters, because obviously that particular, I would say that person is my relative, like very close. But then again, he knows me so close that he knows my potential and caliber. He was suggesting me things that I need to work on, and also I know that I really need to work on certain parameters. But then there are people who criticize you. So when you will be able to understand this thin line, you will actually not take the pressure from the people who hold no importance in your life. So that you have to decide. I have given you a bit of hints, and also I miss making videos, so I'm thinking that and actually I have, oh my god, why am I doing mistakes? What the hell? I cannot edit my videos. Oh sweet lord, why? So I'll end this video here because I have already committed so many mistakes. I have no idea when people are watching my videos, what are they thinking? What? Oh my god, I have no clue. Why am I still continuing it? I should stop it. Okay guys, bye for now. I don't know. I've messed a lot in this one. Bye. Don't criticize me. Yeah. Learn from this video. Don't criticize. Okay, bye.